Hello student, welcome to Dobriyal Sir Classes. Student, because of lockdown, you people are at home these day and your syllabus is going to be late on school. So you can stay tuned with Dobriyal Sir Classes because I will store each and every exercise of NCERT book separately for CBSE board. I am following NCERT book, so you can read question from NCERT book. So what is the first question of NCERT book? Aftab tells his daughter, 7 years ago, I was 7 times as old as you were then. Also 3 years from now, I shall be 3 times as old as you will be. So we have to represent this situation algebraically and graphically also. So in this question, Aftab says his daughter, 7 years ago, I was 7 times as old as you were then. So first of all, we will let their present age. So let daughter present age be x here and Aftab's present age be y here. Then 7 years ago, daughter's age will be x minus 7. Whatever we have in present time, if we minus 7 from it, then 7 year ago age will come. So x minus 7 year will come. Then Aftab age will also 7 minus y minus 7 years because present age is y. Now according to question, Aftab will be 7 time. Aftab was 7 time of his daughter. So when we are multiplying 7 with daughter age, then both the age will be equal. Now 7 will be multiplied with both these, then it will 7x minus 49 is equal to y minus 7. When we are simplifying this, then 7x minus y is equal to 42 is coming. This is our equation number 1. Now also 3 years from now. 3 years from now means later 3 years. Daughter age will be x plus 3 and Aftab's age will be y plus 3. And according to question, daughter Aftab will be 3 times her daughter age. So when we are multiplying daughter age with 3, then both the side will equal. Then 3 will be multiplied with these two. So it will 3x plus 9 is equal to y plus 3. And 3x minus y is equal to 3 minus 9. 9 will go to right hand side. So when we are simplifying this, 3x minus y is equal to minus 6 is coming. This is our equation number 2. We represent this situation algebraically. Now we are doing it graphically. So for graphically we have to draw graph. We study drawing of graph in class 9th also. For graph drawing we have to make y as a subject. Y as a subject means we have to separate y in one side. So first equation, 7x minus y is equal to 42. So 7x minus 42 is equal to y. 7x is equal to y is equal to 7x minus 42 will come. When we are putting, we should put at least 2 values for drawing graphs. So we are putting 2 values, or maximum you can put 3 values, but right now we are putting 2 values here because we can draw graph with 2 values also. X is equal to 2, then y is equal to 7x minus 42. So it will be 42 minus 42 is equal to 0. So when we are putting x is equal to 6, then y is equal to 0 is coming. When x is equal to 5 we are putting, then it will be y is equal to 7x minus 42. So it will 7 into 5 minus 42, 35 minus 42, it will be 7. Then table we will draw. Value of x we will write first 6, then y 0. When x is 5, y is minus 7. Same as second equation. Second equation is 3x minus y is equal to minus 6. We will separate y one side. 3x plus 6 is equal to y. Y is equal to 3x plus 6. When x is equal to 0, then y is equal to 6 is coming. And when x is equal to minus 2, then y is coming 0. So we obtain table of second equation also. X is equal to 0, then y is equal to 6, x is equal to minus 2, then y is equal to 0. Then we will draw graph of these two tables. We have studied graph in class 9th also, so you can easily draw graph. First of all, we are doing graph of first table. So x is equal to 6, then y is 0. So this point will lie here in positive x-axis 6, 0. You can write like this. When x is 5, so 1 2 3 4 5 here, then y is -7 will come here. So we can easily draw graph. Now second table we will put values 0, then y is 6, so x is 0 here, so 6 will come here, 1 2 3 4 5 6, 0, 6 will come this positive y-axis it is. Okay, we already discussed about the graph drawing in class 9. -2 0, so -2 0 will be here, then we will draw graph. So this is the representation of this question graphically also. So we have done question number 1. 2 we will do. So in question number 2, what is asked? The coach of cricket team buys 3 bat and 6 ball for rupees 3900. Later she buys another bat and 2 more balls of the same kind for rupees 1300. Represent the situation algebraically and graphically. You have to make equations and then you have to draw its graph. Let cost of one bat be rupees x and cost of one ball be rupees y. Then according to question, if cost of one bat is x, then cost of 3 bat will be 3x. Then 3x plus 6y. Because cost of 3 bats and 6 balls are 3900. So 3x plus 6y is equal to 3900. This is equation number 1. We can take 3 common in it. So x plus 2y is equal to 3900. 3 will goes in divide in right hand side. So x plus 2y is equal to 1300. This is our equation number 1. Also, later he buys one bat, another bat and 2 more balls. So it will be x plus 2y is equal to 1300. So this are equation number 2. Now graphically we are solving it. So x plus 2y is equal to 1300. So x minus 1300 is equal to 2y. So y will come in divide. So y is equal to x upon 2 minus 1300 upon 2. So it will become, when x is equal to 0, then y will be 0 upon 2 minus 1300 upon 2. 650 will come. When x is equal to 1300, then y is equal to x upon 0 minus 1300, x upon 2 minus 1300 upon 2. So 1300 upon 2 minus 13 upon 2. These are equal and opposite, then 0 will come. So its table will be 0 when x is 0, then y is 650, and when x is 1300, y is 0. Now equation number 2 is same. So x plus 2y is equal to 1300. So points will be same also, because the equation will can use same table for this equation also. When x is equal to 0, then y is equal to 650. When x is equal to 1300, then y is equal to 0. So it will be, when we are drawing graph, so graph is coming like this, 1300 to 0. We can use unit. One box is equal to 200. One box is 200 points we are taking. So it will this point will come here according to this, and 0.650 will become like this. So these two lines are coincident in this case. This one is line L1 and this one is line L2. So this is the graph of second question. Now we are doing question number 3. The question number 3 is the cost of 2 kg of apples and 1 kg of grapes on a day found to be rupees 160. After a month, the cost of 4 kg of apples and 2 kg of grapes is rupees 300. Represent the situation graphically and geometrically. So we are letting cost of 1 kg of apples rupees x and cost of 1 kg of grapes rupees y. According to the question, 2x plus y is equal to 160, because 2 kg of grapes. So if cost of 1 kg is x, then cost of 2 kg will be 2x, cost of 3 kg will be 3x, cost of 10 kg will be but this time 2 kg, so 2x plus y is equal to 160. And another point, we have cost of 4 kg of apples, so it will be 4x, and 2 kg of grapes, so 2y is equal to 300. We can take 2 is common in this, 2x plus y is equal to 300, so 2x plus y is equal to 150 will be the final. We are drawing its graph also. 2x plus y is equal to 160, 2x plus y is equal to 160, so y is equal to 160 minus 2x. When we are putting x is equal to 50, you can put any value, but that value should be greater. It doesn't mean that you are putting it here 1, so value will come very big, so you have to take at least 50, 60, 70 in this case. Y is equal to 160 minus 2 into 50, so it will be y is equal to 60 will come in this. Now x is equal to 45, so y is equal to 160 minus 2 into 45, so y will come 70. So table will be 52 when x is equal to 50, y is equal to 60, and when x is equal to 45, y is 70. In equation 2, 2x plus y is equal to 150, so y will be 150 minus 2x. When we are putting x is equal to 50, y is coming 50. When x is equal to 40 we are putting, then y is also coming 70. Now we will write its table. It's when x is equal to 50, y is 50, x is equal to 40, then y is 70. So then we will draw this on graph paper. So it is coming like this. You can easily draw in graph. I have done it in white paper, but you can draw it in graphs. 50 to 60 and 45 to 70. This one is the first equation, and second one is 50 to 50 and 40 to 70. Then this is the second equation. The little bit gap between this is the parallel case, because in this equation we have seen this a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2. a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2, not equal to c1 upon c2, because constant term is different in these two. So this is a parallel case, so these two lines will be parallel. So we have finished exercise 3.1 today. Thank you very much.